Rita from the depth to bring out the potence of the ocean to help regain power and immortality. The huge mountain manned our water, but as the mountain began descending into the sea, was used as the pole for churning the. The worried gods then prayed to Vishnu, Gan, and this time it continued smoothly. Who changed himself into a huge tortoise and placed the mountain on his back. The churning began. Shivairana was a great king. His word. He was famous for his truthfulness, justice, and keeping his. One day, the gods decided to test him, facing a dove. The dove was frantically looking for a place to hide and came and settled in the king's lap. Once, the king saw an eagle. He had taken a vow to protect anyone who took his shelter. The dove said, "O king, please save my life." The eagle saw this. He said, "O king, you have hidden my prey." Shivairana hid the dove in his lap. Please leave the dove and let me satisfy my hunger. Dove, but at the same time, the king wanted to protect the of his prey. He offered to give the eagle the same amount of meat in return. Did not want to deprive the eagle. The eagle demanded on the condition that not a flesh from the king's right thigh fall from his eye while his tear's thigh is cut. The king thought that cutting away would not kill him, a little flesh from his body, and the dove would also be saved at the same time, so he agreed. And the king's flesh on the other. But no matter how much flesh the dove was placed on one side of a balance added, the dove was always heavier. A small tear appeared in the king's left eye. When the eagle confronted him, the king exists, the eagle and the dove vanished. Explained that the left eye was sad because no flesh had been taken from the left thigh. Shivairana had passed the test and the gods blessed him. Once a huge black serpent called Kaliya came to live in the river Yamuna. He poisoned and decided to teach Kaliya a lesson. He jumped into the river to kill the serpent. Kaliya was furious and rushed to attack Krishna, but before the snake could the water of the river with his venom. The people of Vrindavan were very scared of the serpent, who was very strong. To catch him, Krishna quickly. One day, Krishna climbed on Kaliya's head to shake him off. Kaliya tried to coil around Krishna and eventually, Kaliya got tired. Krishna stayed underwater without breathing. Event crushed him. He even tried to drown him, but then started jumping and started vomiting poison. Stamping on Kaliya's head, and the serpent started. Krishna continued Krishna for forgiveness, and Krishna ordered the serpent doing this until Kaliya had spat out all his poison. Kaliya begged to leave the Yamuna. Kaliya bowed his head and quietly left, and the people of Vrindavan rejoiced.
Okay. Hello? Okay. Hey, what happened?
You make Hulk angry. You not like Hulk angry?
Okay, I'm ready. Okay, okay. Hello? Okay. Hey, what happened?
You make Hulk angry. You not like Hulk angry.
Okay, I'm ready.